Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you an off-road trail up by Hardware Ranch, which is up past Logan, Utah. But you go up, it's called Baxter Sawmill Road. It's a Forest Service road, and you go up and you can go all the way up to one of the peaks. And this is a fun one to do. It's been pretty dry, so I'm not sure how muddy it'll be, but I know it gets pretty messed up in the winter and they don't grade it all that often, so we'll go have some fun with that. And I think for this video I'll show you going up to the peak, and then in my next video I'll show you another road, Curtis Creek Road, which has a lot of fun side roads, and also you can take that back to over to Monte Cristo Highway 39 instead of going back down to Hardware Ranch. So let's do it. guys, so I just took a little tiny side road. I'll show it on the map now, but it is a tiny, tight little side road. It's pretty rocky. It's not too bad. I still haven't put it in four-wheel drive, but on the way back I might, because there's a steep, rocky climb. But it's very tight, and pinstriping's probably all over my car now. But at the end, it leads to a turnaround with these epic views. Yeah, so this little side road is definitely worth it if you're up for the adventure. You're basically following the ridge line of this hill as you drive out here, and you end up, road ends at this turnaround here, and you can get out, look around, and take a quick break on your way up the canyon here. just got over the top, and you can see Baxter Sawmill, that road ends, and you go onto this road called Rock Creek, which runs both ways, and You go on this road for a little distance over to Curtis Creek Road, which I'll show you guys in the next video. But the road here, about the same as Rock Creek is about the same amount of rough as Baxter Sawmill, and you'll turn, and if not, it's even a little smoother, and you'll end up turning right to go back to Monte Cristo, or you can go left, which I'm going to show you right now in this video, and you can drive up to the top of one of the mountains. A short little drive up to the top. So yeah, let's go do this. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I'm going to end it here up at the top. The mountain I drove up to is called Red Spur Mountain. And this is a very fun one, and you'll see in the next video, but I'm going to combine this by going, instead of just going back down the road I came, I'm going to go across Curtis Creek Road, which goes to the top of Monte Cristo, which is just, if you know where Hardware Ranch is, it's, let me think. Okay, that took me a minute, but Hardware Ranch would be north from Monte Cristo. Not very far north, but yeah, so that's how I'm gonna head back down, by going across Curtis Creek and down Highway 39.